What is monkeypox, symptoms and how it's spread? This is a virus which spreads from infected animals such as rodents to humans. Similar to smallpox, this infection was first discovered in 1958 in monkeys kept for research. The first case of monkeypox was recorded in 1970. There has been no case of monkeypox for 40 years before it re-emerged in 2017 in Nigeria. Britain has confirmed 9 cases and North America has detected a dozen cases since last few days. One can catch it from bite of an infected animal, or by touching its blood, body fluids or fur. It is thought to be spread by rodents such as rats, mice and squirrels. In some of these cases, infections may have been transmitted through sexual contact. Symptoms range from fever, muscle ache and chills in humans. No specific treatment is available for monkeypox at present. Patients usually stay in specific hospitals where general symptoms are treated, and infection does not spread. The interval from infection to onset of symptoms is 6 to 13 days. Info brief. Please subscribe our channel.